back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, fashion, you name it. So if it is a kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, enjoy, I stay the family. I'd like to say thank you so much for my return supporters. Appreciate you guys a bunch. Thank you for coming back and support me. So today's video, get excited, we're going to be doing a review try on some amazing jewelry from Luisa. And you have to be familiar with Luisa because I do see them all over social media and even here on YouTube. I have some friends here on YouTube who is revealing their jewelry and trying on all the time, and so I was curious to try them, and finally I got the chance to try them. So we have here I think it's 2 necklaces, 1 bracelet and 2 earrings for try. So I just want to show you guys one by one the packaging before we started trying them. The other thing that I love is the packaging. It's super beautiful and super eco-friendly. Look how cute this is. This is so pretty. And then you have this little here. They are made out of fabric. So I'm just gonna show you guys one by one before we start trying them. Okay, so this is one of my favorite pieces. Look how gorgeous this is. Definitely this one is one of my favorite. It's a pretty pair of earrings, and so in the back you actually have the little thing that you put in your ears and they just be hanging. We're gonna try them, so I just want to show you guys before we get to try them. Super pretty. This is one size. The name is AVERY, I think. I'm gonna put the name of them in the description of the video with Luisa info, link and everything if you guys decide to give them a try. They definitely is very affordable for great material, and the jewelry looks stunning. I'm in love with it, to be honest. Alright, so the next one here that I'm going to show you is this cute bracelet, detailed stunning. And this one, the name is COLETTE, MALACHITE, I think. The next one here is a beautiful bracelet, and this bracelet is so pretty, and you can actually like add like charms to them if you want to. Very pretty, very beautiful, very thick. You can see that's a very well made jewelry. You know, I'm very used to custom jewelries and real jewelry. This looks very beautiful. This name is LOUISE. Gorgeous. This is stunning. And this is called Ashley. Stunning. Beautiful. Yeah. This, the name is Temple Green. Look how beautiful. Stunning. Gorgeous. And we're going to be trying, so just bear with me. And here I have a second little chain here, and this chain you can put any pendant that you want. And you guys know Mother's Day is coming up, so this is a great opportunity for you to give mom a nice gift. They have so many gorgeous jewelry and very affordable, very pretty, very nice. All right, so let's start with these gorgeous Ashley earrings. Let's try this beauty on it. So beautiful. Ooh, stunning. Love it. Alright, so this is what the Ashley earrings look on it. Very pretty. Love it. Stunning. Alright, so this is the Ashley. It's stunning. How pretty it looks. So let's try the green bracelet. But we're gonna leave these on the side for now. So let's try this one. Let's try this bracelet. Let's see if we can close. This one is the Louise. Close this. So nice. Alright, and this bracelet is Louise. I think that's the name. Very pretty. Now let's go to our next piece. So let's try one of the necklace. What's her name here? So it's just a gold chain. Very nice. Let me try it. Alright guys, so I went out to the camera and I was able after 1 hour to put on the 2 necklaces and the bracelets I put on, I think on camera, I don't know if I did. This one, for nothing in the planet, I couldn't close. It's like what can I say, the clamps is super, it's just my nails doesn't let me hold properly. So when I try to close, I can't reach. If you see, there's not enough space. So I'm gonna put this one on the side. So I do put it on the 2 necklaces. Super beautiful. This green one, it is stunning, so pretty, love it. So then what I did is I put both of them and I just like kind of layer them. So now we have one thing left, is the these beautiful earrings here. They're just so pretty. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna keep the one that I have on and put this one on my second little hole that I have. That's how it looks. Very pretty, very nice. And I have the necklace and the bracelet. So the only piece that I couldn't close was the second bracelet. I couldn't close for nothing in the planet, but you guys can see the jewelry stunning, very beautiful, very pretty, and they do make a beautiful gift, birthday gift, any gift that you want to give to somebody special. This jewelry could make a very nice gift, and Mother's Day is coming up. That definitely is gonna make a beautiful Mother's Day gift too. I would love to be gift one of these beautiful jewelries. I would definitely love. So if you guys have any question about the jewelry, they are gorgeous, drop in the comment below and I will answer the best I can. So tell me in the comment below which one is your favorite, or if you're like me that love them all. Alright, so thanks so much for watching, and I'm sorry I couldn't put this one on, but like I said, these nails is horrible for closing small things. But in the coming video, definitely gonna be using them because I love them. They are so pretty, so very good quality. The link for Ana Luisa is gonna be on the description of this video, so if you guys, where you guys can find these beautiful pieces. Alright, and decide to give them a try. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next video.